I've eaten 4 or 5. Bunny had 1. I think this is what they call the fire. Is this the fire durian?
mountain
Oh, fire mountain.
ทุเรียนภูเขาไฟทุเรียน
Durian. Did I say that right?
ทุเรียน
Durian.
yeah ทุเรียนภูเขาไฟ from ศรีสะเกษ
And we're in Isan.
yes close to Ubon
Don't really see this. You can't grow this in Isan.
อร่อยไหม
Aloy. Aloy cup. Very good. Creamy.
wow
So this white part, I guess it's just like fiber or cellulose. I always was eating it, but Bunny said maybe you shouldn't eat it.
เมล็ดเล็กด้วยนิดเดียวอร่อยมาก ใครจะกินเยอะขนาดนี้เนี่ย
What was the first 2 we got this season? Last month.
หมอนทอง แล้วก็ชะนีก็คือลองมาแล้วหมอนทองชะนีอันนี้เป็นลองทุเรียนภูเขาไฟครั้งแรก This is the first time that you try
This type?
yes this type
He said this is the best type, but I think the other one, the golden.
golden
What was that?
หมอนทอง golden pillow
Golden pillow. Yes, the golden pillow. That was good.
หมอนทอง
That was the first one. It was cheap too. I think that was the best one so far. Excellent. Enjoy.
You're gonna eat it all
Hard to believe that. Yeah, probably. No, I'll tell you what. Why don't we give this to Mom? Kuma? She said she wanted some, but she didn't want any last night. So we'll give her 1 seed tonight. She'll be happy.
okay
She's a big fruit eater. Okay. Well, it's our 3rd one of the year. If we get a really good one, maybe we'll film it again. Interesting though, just an interesting type of fruit. Really enjoy it. I was looking forward to getting this for many months because I guess it wasn't durian season. Durian. You say durian.
ทุเรียน
Durian.
yes last year we find the last time that they have ทุเรียน
Yeah, we got it in the last, crop, last month. That's when I started to like it. It was at the end of the season last year, and then it went away. So I was looking forward to this year. Hopefully we'll get some more. I think the best is probably to buy it from someone who's selling it out of a truck on the side of the road for a good price.
yes
So far. Okay. All right, Bunny, you have some more. You wanna eat one?
yeah
Okay. Enjoy.